In this video, you will learn how to create an infographic in Canva and share it with your teacher. To log in to Canva, we can go simply to SSO Login and tap on Canva. We will not be using the app today. I am using it in Safari. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we're signed in properly, and we are going to create a design. Today, we are going to be making an infographic to share what we know. So I'm just going to pick this very first one, 800 by 2000 pixels, and it should open a nice blank page. On the left, you can see that there are many templates to choose from. You don't need to worry if you don't like the colors or some of the graphics and elements on there. You will have a chance to personalize all of these different pieces. So I'm going to pick this one. Now that I have my template in here, it's time to start making it represent my information. So all of these pieces in here are editable by you. You can zoom in and out to make the editing process easier. To change text, simply tap on it. You can delete it, or if you double tap, you can change the text. Double tap. Title. If you do not like the text that is selected for you, you can always come up here and try some of the different text that they have. Just keep in mind that some of these scripty fonts might be beautiful, but if they're hard to read, then that might not be a great choice for your infographic. Try to choose something that's easy to read. If you want to change the color of any text, come to this A that's underlined. Text color. These are the colors that are already set for the template, but you are welcome to create your own by coming up here and mixing your own color. Your infographic will come set with all of these elements already included on the page, but they're probably not going to be what you need. So you are welcome to select them and delete. Now let me show you how to find your own elements to bring your design to life. Within elements, you can add shapes, graphics, images, moving stickers, photos, videos, even audio, charts, tables, picture frames, grids, and then there are collections that you may want to explore for little doodles and graphics as well. The options are endless. Let's say that I need an element about recycling. I can always come in here and type what I need. I want to use a graphic. I'm going to tap see all, and I like this one. And many of the graphics in the Canva library are editable. So I'm going to tap the corner to drag, make it the size I need. And you can see up here that this is the color scheme in my graphic. I can actually click on there and change the colors that are preset. So I can make it my very own if I wish to do so. I don't really love how that looks, so I'm going to come to one of my favorite buttons in the whole world, the undo button, or the mistakes are okay button. I'm going to undo those changes to turn it back to normal. Now I'm going to keep going through this entire infographic and turn it into my presentation with my information and my elements. When you have put all of your finishing touches on, it is ready to present. You are able to play this in presentation mode for your class. You can zoom in with your 2 fingers to highlight the different pieces, and any sort of moving graphics will continue to move throughout your presentation. If you would like to send this to your teacher so they can have access, tap the Share button at the top, Send to Teacher, and then simply select your teacher or type their name and it will go straight to them when you press Send. You can also share this with other people in your class if you are doing group work. Simply type in their username and they should pop up. You can also copy these links and then paste it into other places like your bulk pages on your digital portfolio. Thanks for watching. Happy designing!